Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to uninstall McAfee in Windows 10. McAfee is a good security software as far as I know, but I've been using Norton 360 for many years, and I purchased a new laptop which came pre-installed with McAfee, so I need to uninstall it. So I would highly recommend that you use the McAfee Removal Tool, and you'll find the link in the description section. Now before you do that, McAfee recommends that you uninstall it first. So like I said earlier, I'm using Windows 10 in this tutorial. Click on the Windows Start button from the taskbar below. And then in the search box, type in McAfee. And then click on it. And from these options, choose Uninstall. It'll open the settings page displaying all of your installed apps. Scroll down until you see McAfee. And then click on the three dots icon, and then choose Uninstall, and then click on Uninstall again. You may see this dialog box pop up. Click on Yes, and then it'll bring you to this Uninstall wizard. I'll choose the reason, and then click on Continue. Here I'll click on Uninstall, and then Uninstall again. And finally click on Restart Now. It'll then restart your computer. And next we need to use the McAfee Removal Tool. Like I said earlier, you'll find the link in the description section. So click on Next, then read the agreement and then choose Agree. Then click on Next. For the security validation, just enter the characters that you see in the box and then click Next. You'll then begin the process of uninstalling McAfee, and then once done, you'll see this dialog box with the confirmation. You can then click Restart again, and then the computer will restart, but that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.